How to apply for Santander Bank Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply for Santander Bank Credit Card step by step. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to santanderbank.com. Once you land over here, you want to click on the credit card option. Then click on the apply now option after going through all of these details. Now enter the state and zip code and click on the continue option. Here you will have to enter some of your personal information. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, then select your country of citizenship, country of residency. Now enter your email address and enter it again for confirmation. Then enter your social security or ITIN number. Enter your date of birth. Once that is done, enter your home address and contact information, including your primary address, state, zip code, and primary phone number. Once that is done, you want to enter your income expenses. Select your employment status and enter your gross annual salary. Then enter your other gross annual income. After that, select your residence type and enter your monthly rent or mortgage payment. Now, you want to click on the view and accept option for important notices. Then click on the view and accept option for terms and conditions. Now click on the submit option. After your application has been submitted, the bank will review it in 3 to 5 business days. And this is how you can apply for Santander credit card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.